I wanted to have kids by the time I was 30.
Like,
I wanted to have like I wanted to like date someone, be in love, find that perfect family which is outside of my family, because I didn't consider my family to be perfect. So I was like, I'll find it outside.
Yeah.
And then I'll have children and then I'll raise them the way I want to. So my first child was supposed to be at 31. My second child was supposed to be at 35.
fair.
Okay. But none of it happened.
You know what the worst part is?
And then I had to make decisions for myself
How did you deal with that?
Yeah.
quite comfortably. Because then that's a choice you make. You're like, what am I chasing? So it was just interesting for me to see that the more I was not letting timelines affect my brain, the more open and receptive I was to the present. So I was not making up this shit. Ke, this person is like nice. So then I like be with nice person. His father is actually a good man.
Oh my God.
So-
this is so funny because we've had conversations like this.
So it is all of us. Great.
It is
Don't
all of
worry.
us.
Please trust me. You will outgrow this. But it's also a possibility that if you know yourself while you're in your 20s, like use this time to just realize who you are. This is like the,
Testing period.
yeah, this is your testing period.
R&D.
Yeah, and use it as R&D instead of putting pressure on yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Zia.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
Hi, I'm Kubra.
And we are Besharam! Yay!
Wow! Okay, I really like it when nobody's saying, overlap ho raha hai.
fuck
This
that.
is overlap.
This is the fun.
And
Okay,
that's
I like
how
it.
you
The
talk.
energy.
Like when you're talking to your friend, you will overlap.
And this is exactly what we aim for this to be, because we don't want it to be a structured thing. I mean, structured to some extent, but
Yeah.
when you're talking to your friends, you're not always like, okay, you finish, ma'am.
Yeah.
And then I will
I am
speak.
such
will
a
cut
good
you off.
listener.
Such a,
Yeah.
No. Just put a footnote on that, and then we're just gonna get back to that after I say this. And
Yeah.
then that's not realistically how people talk.
Friends talk.
No.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yes.
But Maitri always says this. She's always like, Adeem says that no, you guys are over talking too much. And Maitri's like, listen, I'm the producer, and let me tell you, friends talk like this.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what you get. Itne mein itna hi milega, bro. So, Kubra, you are a talented woman.
Oh.
And I love talented women.
Thank you.
Yes.
I believe you guys are very talented. And it's incredible for me to see, like, we were just having this chat, right? Like, to discover that camaraderie, to discover that superpower in each other, and then to build something together. That for me is inspiration in real time, like in this moment. So wow,
I would like to
that's
add,
amazing.
build something together and it not be surface level fluff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get in the real shit. You make your hands
How
dirty.
many times have you been to an like a networking party and you've had the same small talk with the same people
Yeah.
over and over and over again, where nobody's genuinely
It doesn't amount
actually
to
happy.
anything.
Doesn't.
Yeah. It's the
Well,
same question, same
It's
answer.
very
Surface level.
face. Sure, there is something to be said about that
Yeah.
and networking in general, but
The conversations don't change.
the conversations do not change.
You know what I've realized is that conversations don't change until you don't change, and then when you do change, you don't want to be in that networking anymore.
Yeah.
Then you decide to walk away from that setting, and that's also a very real possibility.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think I've been a very good salesperson, right? So I've always been like a connoisseur of like, oh, give me your ideas, give me like, and it's not like, oh, I want.
You're a creative.
I like that, and it's really interesting when you don't see your own superpower. Then there is no way that then you're okay with mediocrity, and then you're hanging around and you're going like I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, oh, it's really hot, no? Small conversation.
Yeah.
It's all of us have same skin, same like thing.
Yeah.
We all are sweating and perspiring.
Yeah.
And it's so comfortable to stay in like basic chat and then be like, मैंने उखाड़ लिया भाई life में आज मैं गया था मैं interact किया लोगों से, and I don't know why I speak like
Like a bro.
when I say that, but like
It's
I
so
might
funny
have a
you say
theory.
that because literally all my female friendships are so nourishing, and I don't think, even though the small talk happens, I feel my small talk with my girlfriends are also so like
Important.
it's so important and so nourishing.
Yeah.
And I haven't felt that with a man.
We've had long weeks where it's been like Saturday and everyone has errands to run and things to do, but we'll be like, guys, can we meet for like 10 minutes? It's fine.
yeah.
We'll meet for 10 minutes.
We've
It's all
literally,
right.
there's been a lot of times where we've decided to hang out like 5 minutes before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where like 5 minutes में सब मिल रहे हैं, मैं किसी का नाम नहीं सुन रही हूँ.
Everyone-
And we're all there.
Like
Wow.
you gotta give your updates like quick.
Wow, bullet point bana ke lao.
But before we get into this,
Be a man, but come as a woman. Yeah.
get your feminine side out right now.
Yeah.
I love it.
Down
It
and dirty.
sets the it sets
premise.
perspective.
Yeah.
Premise,
Premise.
exactly. Sets
Yeah.
premise for this video perfectly.
Yes, but
Sanj.
before we get right into it, I would like to introduce who our guest for today is. And if you don't already know her, what are you guys doing?
Oh
She
my
is
God.
someone who is, like you said, she's extremely talented. She's an author, she's a podcaster, she's an actress, she's a stand-up comedian as well.
Yeah, man. I'm for real into it now. I'm actually learning the art from ground up.
I love that.
But that's the thing. That's been the thing with me. Like, there is this point of yours which like further goes into like I'm a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
Yes.
But I've been so obsessed with the different trades of my life, like over the
As you should
years,
be.
right? So I
Yeah.
studied accounting. My mother said, if you become an accountant, your clients will die. Yeah, they will, because they will be overjoyed that they made so many profits.
Oh,
Untrue.
untrue.
Or they made so many losses. They will have a cardiac arrest. Do not do accounts. And both cases would be like untrue. Like the balance sheet would not balance.
Never.
Yeah. So she said, do not be an accountant
Yeah.
like for life.
Yeah.
So I chose marketing, and then I'm learning marketing. And literally, when I
High
walked in, high five. And when I walked in, I said, shit, I'm not a good marketer of myself. Like, I didn't bring my book today to share it. We're going to put it here, blah, blah, blah. And I don't do it naturally. So I think I'm trying to learn, like,
Yeah,
every
fair.
day. So just trying to learn, like, different aspects of, like, communication, storytelling,
Yes.
creativity. Like, became an anchor at a very young age. I didn't come to Mumbai. Like, this wasn't my first thing. You know, I took part in a lot of, like, VJ hunts in
Okay.
Bangalore when I was growing up.
Okay.
And-
Like in the 2000s? 2010s?
Yeah, 2000s.
2000s?
Yeah, like 2000s, yeah.
Wow.
2000s, yeah. Like they had a MTV VJ hunt back
Yeah.
in the day. And
Yeah.
you know, the year I participated is the year Sophie Chaudhary made it.
Sophie Chaudhary, okay.
And I looked, and when I learned that I was like, yeah, I get it. Like,
Okay.
I'm too masculine. I'm too tomboyish. And that's why,
Oh.
like, she got it, because she was so much in her
Feminine.
feminine.
Tuned with her femininity.
She was
Yeah.
so much, and I was sounding like one of the bros. Like, that was also the year Cyrus Sahukar made it. And I think I was closer to Cyrus Sahukar than I was to Sophie Chaudhary.
Okay.
But it's not negative at all in my
Yeah.
like it's your individuality, right?
I think that's what
And
you
at
bring to
that
the table.
time, they didn't know. They were very clear. Like, MTV was very clear.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to say this? But yeah, like
Sure,
MTV was like doing the VJ hunt, right?
Yeah.
Was so clear that they wanted someone feminine.
Yeah.
I think they had a very set structure
Yeah.
of what they wanted.
Yeah, and then roadies came in.
Yeah.
And then Barney came in as a VJ.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And then that structure changed.
Changed.
So
Oh my God,
then
yes, you're
everybody
right.
was like, oh, you're way ahead of the curve. I'm like, no, I was always just me.
You.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
This
was never
came
seen.
after.
Yeah,
I didn't
that
come after
came
this.
after. Yeah. Like, I was always wearing, like, I have pictures of me wearing like beads in my neck and beads in my hand and like a scarf around my neck going like,
Like a bandana.
yeah, all of that
You were a
stuff.
baddie way before.
Yeah. I've always like, and then I couldn't understand why that didn't make like inroads into
Yeah.
like the arts or the creative or the expression.
Correct.
Why do you think
fields.
that was? Like, at the times were different? Were people
I think
less?
times were different and times have
Yeah.
changed. Like, I have seen times change.
Yeah.
Fair.
And
Yeah.
as he said, as she said, there was also a fixed structure that they were looking for, and they didn't want to
Yeah.
change the mold for it.
Yeah.
They were very rigid, and I feel that's low-key fair.
Like,
Yeah.
is it similar?
I mean, at that time, they were looking for something.
Yeah.
And if you're looking for it, then you may as
Controversial
well
Might as well
get
get
it.
it.
bias.
Fair.
Yeah.
That is true.
Right?
That-
and,
yeah.
and it's not like not one person in that group who was like, you know, say casting for this or shortlisting or
Yeah.
producing like this VJ hunt. Not one person told me I'm not talented. They just said that I was not feminine enough.
Yeah, you just didn't fit the mold that they had.
I didn't fit that mold.
that
Yeah.
specific mold. Yeah.
Yeah.
And were you at that time like apologetic, or did you feel small and try to shrink yourself at that time, or did that just
No.
never happen for you?
No, it didn't happen for me actually. I asked like some uncle called Gul uncle in Bangalore
Okay.
to send a videographer. And my mom was reminding me this like yesterday. We've gone to like Cubbon Park in Bangalore and I've climbed a tree. And I've said, मेरे पीछे 5,000 लोग हैं. There was nobody there. So I still tried to make like VHS tapes. I tried to make myself feminine. For me, it was like, oh, that doesn't exist. So that's a challenge. Let me try accessing
yeah.
that. I didn't realize that I don't have to try to be feminine. I am.
Yeah.
But you're the kind of person that I feel like if I ask you what you do, I feel like you would never tell me anything about like oh, this is my job.
I don't have a job.
You don't have exactly, and I hate that it's
Thank you.
become that.
Yeah.
You know, when I ask somebody, if I'm meeting somebody and I'm like, oh, what do you do? Oh, well, I'm in marketing. I have this job and it's like really difficult. Or maybe like they love the job and they're up for a promotion, but that's not who you are, right?
Yeah.
That isn't
You're
who
more
you
than
are. You're
that.
so much more than that. I like to put like a person's life into 4 parts, okay?
Okay.
Part 1 is your work life, all of that, all right? Very important. 1/4 of your life. That's
Huge.
It's huge.
Yeah.
One of the parts is friends' social life, all right? Third part is like your family. Includes your spouse later on.
Acha. Yeah.
Later
Very
on-
interesting point. Yeah.
And then you have your romance side of things. So, of course, if you're married, then those bleed into each other. But
you know where I would put the fourth one?
Like,
I
please
would
tell
put
me.
the fourth one would be myself.
Yeah, I feel like
Yourself.
Yeah, the fourth
how
one I would
picture
put.
it.
Yeah, I was like, okay, work ho gaya,
Work,
friend, family ho gaya,
friends.
like social ho gaya. Then that family and spouse ho gaya, and then me.
Yeah.
For me.
Correct.
Would be
That's
the
how
fourth
that's how I
division.
see it.
Yeah.
Because when
that's good perspective.
because even when this is
Because ये सब outside हो गया सबके लिए.
हाँ,
Yeah,
where
मेरे लिए
where am
क्या
I?
है?
Where am I?
Right.
Yeah. Because even when I manifest, okay, like I manifest in like categories and parts, okay.
Yeah.
There's me, there's my friends and family, there's my career, there are my hobbies,
Love life.
and then there's my love life. So
Yeah.
that's how I've categorized all my manifestations into.
I love that. Do you manifest a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not necessarily with the red ink but I do have my vision board.
Yeah.
I have
Fair.
worked every single plan of mine till date on a whiteboard. So the significance of a whiteboard for me is that you can erase what's on it and rewrite it like time and again.
Yeah.
You know how many people have said this to me? In fact, my brother as well. So it's not that I struggle with like manifestation, but it's just that I struggle with visualizing things. Like even though I am a very visual person, unless I see it is not when I will believe it. Okay. So something my brother told me is like, if you're struggling with getting something in your life, just put it on pen and paper or just like put pictures of it, and the power that it holds is insane, because he has told me things that have happened for him as soon as he has done that, and he has like, you know, put down pictures or he's put it into words and it has actually worked. And now you're saying this too, and it's not that I wasn't believing my brother,
Yeah.
but
But
you know,
that
now that
brother
you're
is a
saying it,
good-
concrete.
yeah.
It's
Yeah,
not
the
that
brother's a good lad then.
Yeah.
That's a very good relationship
Yeah.
Sanjana has with her brother. Do you have siblings?
I do have a younger brother, yeah.
You have a young, I can tell you're older.
I'm literally getting older
Yeah.
sister
Older
vibes
sister,
from
yeah.
you. Like,
Absolutely.
you look like someone who like has answers.
Oh my God.
And I mean that in
Or
the
at
nicest
least
way.
guidance in the very least.
More so because you come from so much. I feel like you've done so much in your life, and like given your background, I feel like you've lived so much, and it just feels like you
This
have a
is-
lot of personality.
But this is insane, okay? Now we have to tell everybody who's watching this that we've
Okay.
met like 5 minutes ago.
We have. Oh my god, yes.
We've literally met 5 minutes ago.
Yes.
So if that's what
The
like
energies are
this
really
is exuding,
yeah.
Yes.
great, then let's delve further. And when I say delve, I sound like ChatGPT, but this is my language.
I used M dashes first.
I use M dashes first. I do
Yeah, and now it's like I can't use them anymore.
Because
even
then
if
I've
I'm writing
seen
with pen and
ChatGPT.
paper,
Yep.
I feel like it's looking weird if I'm writing with an M dash. Even though I
Yeah.
genuinely used it, bro. I promise you. I swear on everything I love, I use the M dash
Now
before
it's done.
ChatGPT.
Now it's done,
bro.
It's
You
done.
can't.
It's
You can't
done.
be taken seriously.
Originality की लग गई.
लग गई.
नहीं, अभी नहीं use कर सकते.
Would your brother also describe you similarly?
Um, I think it's been a realization for me after a long, long time. Like, when. So the common point between my brother and I was my mom, right?
Yeah.
And for the longest time, you feel like, oh, there is like a parental bias, and that's exactly what my mom didn't have. So she said like, oh, you both are the same, you both are the same, you both are the same, mere bache, and it's great. It sends a sense of equality, right?
Yes.
But it's taken me so many years to sit my mom down and say, we are not the same.
Mm-hmm.
We are very different.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I recognize the differences in us as siblings,
People.
because no two children are raised by the same
set of parents.
parents.
The same set of
The
parents.
parents change. Like
Yeah.
when I was
Right.
born, like the challenges and the situations was very different for my mom. Like
Yeah.
I'm telling you, my brother was born
Mm.
and my dad met with like an accident which had him
I'm so sorry.
bedridden for like 2 years at home.
Sorry.
Okay.
So the initial 2 months, like 3 months of my brother being born, he didn't even spend time with my mom. He spent it with my grandmom,
Okay.
and then as he grew older as well, and things were like different at home, and they were trying to like get a balance together or whatever. Like my mom sent my brother away to boarding school, but then I was raised at home.
Yeah.
So just due to conditioning, it would be unfair for me to say that, oh, we come from the same background, we do the same thing, we are the same. And that's just so reductive, I feel. Like
Yeah.
it's like some reduction. Like,
You're reducing
Yeah.
the life that they have lived by comparing the life that I have lived and then saying that we're equal. Like we're not equal.
we're not
Yeah.
equal.
We've
I
had
don't
different
want to be
experiences.
your equal.
Are you
I
big-
don't want to be one up from you, but I'm not equal.
Yeah. Not
And
the same.
neither are you. I don't want you to feel like, oh, I am. You
Superior.
have,
Yeah.
Your
yeah, like you have
individuality.
some incredible skill sets, which I don't, and I recognize those and I appreciate those. And there are certain things that I have which, if you want to be inspired by, you have the freedom to.
Yeah.
Of course.
Or you can look at it and like,
Yeah.
I am drawn to inspiration like all around me. Like it excites me to see people do different things.
Yes.
And I don't look at it from the lack of, but wow, that is something more that I can learn.
There's
Yeah.
something more to look forward to.
Yeah, there is
This-
like
yeah.
a new feather that I can put in my hat. And why not? Like
Why
we're
not?
evolving people.
Yeah.
And I truly feel as a human being, you are limitless.
Oh, 100%.
Right?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Are you a big reader?
I actually I'm not much of a reader, but now I am. Like I put it to discipline.
Okay.
I'm
So I
gonna-
sit and I read
yeah.
like 20 minutes if I need to every day. But
Yeah.
I will do that consciously. But I think learning for me has happened extensively through meeting people.
Wow.
I
yeah.
learn when I meet people, when I talk, when I interact. Like I learn from real moments.
Yeah.
And I'm okay to just go like, oh,
Yeah.
tell me more.
Yeah.
I love
Like,
being
I can do
mesmerized by
that.
something.
That's the
But
same
I'm gonna-
ideology as, being the dumbest person in the room.
I
'Cause
like
you're
being the dumbest person in the
always-
room.
Love it.
There's
I know.
always
If
scope
you're
to
the
learn.
smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
but
you're doing
I am-
something wrong.
Yeah. But I think nowadays I am too smart.
That's funny because it brings me to my next point of taking up space in any industry that you work in. As a woman.
Especially as a woman.
Especially as a woman.
Like, especially as a woman, right? Because we've been taught to be like, we've taught to shrink ourselves
Yeah.
and like be this little person.
That's why
and
I
just,
asked you that. Like, because I've had that happen so many
Yeah.
times.
Yeah, exactly. Because
Yeah.
I mean, it's not even in these bigger actions that you do. It's literally in the smaller gestures that you notice amongst
Yeah.
people
It's always the mundane
around
things, bro.
you. It's genuinely the mundane things that you're like, and then you end up having second thoughts about, wait, was this right? Was this
Yeah.
not? And then you end up second guessing your own self,
Yeah.
your actions, and that ends up shrinking you even further.
Yeah.
Have you had experiences like that where you're like, where
You
you've
know, when
had
you
that
know that,
realization?
when you literally like, brought this up before we started talking, I was like, I have something to say about it.
Yes, please.
So what I realized in the most recent times, right, is that, and this came from self-realization, that I have been running my life, my career, as a man.
Ooh, tell me more.
Okay.
Yeah. My masculinity has been on top. So we all have masculine and feminine.
Absolutely.
I have led with my masculine.
Okay.
So I never felt I was ever taking up too much space. I was too big. I was this, I was that. People could have thought whatever they wanted to, but
Yeah.
I led my life like a man. So
Okay.
I never really felt that I was making a mistake. I never really thought that, I was like
Lacking something.
lacking something. No, I was actually working like a man. And only much later today, I realized that man was all about doing. But there is that other half of you, right? Which is the nari, which is the femininity, which then I need to embrace. And that is just the being. And it took me so long. Like I went to therapy for many, many years. I still do. In fact, I have an appointment next week.
Okay.
And I talk about this very openly because it's important that we share
Yeah.
your growth journey and you understand. And I remember my therapist right in the beginning, right? She told me I need to, so I would meet her once a week.
Okay.
And she would say, before you meet me next week, you need to spend an hour getting ready, looking at yourself intently, wearing your makeup, and not going anywhere.
Oh.
Yeah,
Wow.
because I dress up all the time.
Yeah.
I am in the public personality. I am dressing up, wearing all these flamboyant clothes. I'm channeling fashion. I'm channeling, beauty. I'm doing all of that. Great. But I'm still doing it for someone.
The
Yeah,
public eye.
For another
yeah,
gaze.
maybe not
In a
even
way,
for the gaze, but it's just even if it's like, oh, I feel pretty.
Yeah.
It's for a purpose.
Yeah.
It's
exactly.
like, ab main jayega udhar peps hai, peps shoot karega.
Yeah.
Then I will then use that as content. Then
Yeah.
there's
There's always another motive. Yeah.
correct. There's like a domino effect to
Yeah.
getting
Yes.
ready,
Yes.
right? And imagine like I have like a hairdresser coming in, I have a makeup artist coming in. No, can you sit and do this 1 hour where like you massage your finger, like you like,
Moisturize.
you moisturize,
You're taking your time.
Yeah.
Gua sha.
and then
Sure.
you wear your makeup and you wear your lipstick and you curl your lashes and you look at yourself intently and then you just squat on your couch and watch TV. But you did this for you and you had nowhere to go.
Exactly.
You did this for your being. And I swear, I started practicing this as discipline.
Yeah.
So like
Okay.
now when I get ready for me, I get ready for me. And that just became a shift in like your mindset.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it took me a long time and it took me my adulthood to then embrace my femininity. And I honestly, the reason why I felt, and this is a fracture in my system, right?
Yeah.
The fracture in my system was that I didn't have female friends for the longest time. I didn't have friends for the longest time.
Yeah, you
Okay.
mentioned.
Yeah.
So I actually learned how to make friends, to be able to listen to other perspectives and not feel कि यार ये बोल रहा है तो ये weak है.
You wanted
Because
to learn.
I would layer it
Yeah.
with अरे यार ये तो easy है यार बस करना तो है.
Hmm.
अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो
What is the
तो
reason?
then to say कि भाई I'm vulnerable enough कि मैं
Yeah.
नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, that is vulnerability ना, that is
yeah.
also strength ना.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you're not been like, I was never shown the
just
direction
been-
के भाई
yeah.
you can't say you can't do,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you don't know.
Never say never.
So then to learn that and to embrace that as an adult was a series of aha moments. And only when you start practicing it does that become a habit. And of
Yeah.
course, your conditioning is so strong. Like the background machinery
Yeah.
is so masculine that for me to not be there and to
Consciously bring the-
bring
yeah,
forth
the feminine
femininity
side.
Yeah.
is an everyday job for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Right? And I enjoy it today because I look at it and I'm like, no, cool. I'm moving in this direction
Yeah.
and it's new. So then it will be slow baby steps.
Hmm.
I will stumble, I will fall,
Yeah.
but I will get up
Exactly.
and I will walk the next
Yeah,
few
exactly.
steps.
Like you mentioned earlier, right? You don't have to know everything at all times.
No, and I
You don't.
that I didn't have.
Yeah.
Like
Can I, sorry.
sorry,
finish.
like, but
Yeah.
the one question that I was asked a lot, right? And I know I've gone through like bad experiences, like most people would speak of in the industry, so to speak, especially when you don't know anybody. And I
Yeah.
knew zero. I knew nobody when I came to
True.
Mumbai
Yeah.
16 years ago, right? But I would be like, no, I'm fine. Everyone talks to me nicely. Everyone does this. Everyone gets happy. And I remember that I would break through the layers of what they think is what they can penetrate, right? Like, oh, ये लड़की है तो मैंने थोड़ा ऐसा कर दिया तो मैं आगे बढ़ गया.
आगे बढ़ गया, हाँ.
But the way I would approach, and that would make a girl uncomfortable.
Absolutely.
100%.
So what I would do is lead with, sir, कैसे हो?
Yeah.
Sir. Sir का सर फोड़ दिया. Sorry. Sir का सर फोड़ दिया. Sir खुश हो गए. And then I have now all of a sudden
You've
like
taken
displaced
agency.
threat.
Yeah.
You sort of have the upper hand now.
You have
Sorry, I didn't mean to like.
I'm good. Trust me, I'm good. I'm good.
But that is like the physical motion of it.
yeah.
That was very masculine in me. So I was
Exactly.
creating my own safety
and without even knowing, like subconsciously.
without
you were
knowing.
just
It took
doing
me
it.
years to understand.
That's
भाई
insane.
चुतिया के ये कर रहा था तुम. And then तुम ऐसा you are
Yeah.
asking for parts which are feminine.
Yeah.
तो वो देख ही नहीं पा रहा ना.
Exactly.
You go take my entire like filmography, and the one thing that you will find across all the work that I've done, very strong, huh? very bold, very
Bold.
powerful.
I hate that.
Bold, powerful, strong. I'm like, bhai, ye kya baat kar
And
rahe
if she's
ho?
funny, she's bubbly. Hate
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I have been called champagne, bro.
Champagne.
Someone called me champagne.
Because you're bubbly.
Yes.
Oh no.
Fuck.
I also hate when people call me woke because of.
I want to beat people who call me.
I hate that.
The fact that I'm not slapping people
I know.
as
Says
I
a lot.
walk
Yeah.
around. Yeah, I'm actually really patient. If I didn't have patience, I would be slapping people. I would be.
Then
Yeah, I
you would
know.
understand how bold I am.
Then you know how bold I am. I slap you. Like honestly,
Violence is the answer sometimes.
Violence is the answer
It's the
sometimes.
answer sometimes.
It should be okay.
This conversation also reminds me of this impending doom of mine, and I think it's just.
बताओ
really-
लंगड़ाते आगे की. What is the impending doom of your life?
Please, I think you'll be able to guide me very well here because I feel such pressure now that I am 22. Like, for context, like I have only ever started dating men like last year, August. Okay.
How lovely.
And-
In last year you did men, is it? Start
Men
with
in
one.
general-
No.
Oh, it's been pretty bad. It's been
Fair enough.
Not
Fair
even
enough.
one is
Fair
salvageable.
enough. Fair enough.
Not one is salvageable, and I'm trying like intentionally to do this now because I am feeling like time is running. I don't want to make desperate decisions at 28, 29, and ideally I want to have children by like in my early 30s. And these timelines are so fuck all. I know it. I know. I would never recommend this to
Are
another
you
woman.
Muslim? Don't worry. Me too. Come on. By the time you're 35, you'll be fine. Yeah. Give yourself.
Oh.
Yeah, just give yourself another 12 years. You'll be fine.
You think so?
But do you
1
think she
billion
should stop
percent I was
exploring?
fine.
Do you think she should still stop
No,
exploring?
this is your time. Exploration is the key.
Yeah.
So then don't get bogged down in any way towards the success or the failure rate. All right? Because there's nothing called failure. It was only testing.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Like I had a friend who used to crash cars for Autocar. Like, you know the car magazine Autocar?
Yeah.
His job was to crash cars.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. I would love to have that as a job.
I would love that as a job.
Yeah.
Like he would go and he would crash into a wall. That was his job. So he had to,
That is so cool.
so he would be like fully like
Geared up.
So just get geared up and be happy for the crashes. You're learning something new every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
But
do it.
This is
Stop it.
Stop it.
No,
But honestly,
deep,
I feel
though.
I don't know. Okay, and I know I'm trying to bring like my religion background in this,
Yes.
but
Please
I
do.
don't know if this works. I don't know because I think I'm like a decade over you. More, two decades over you. Okay,
we don't.
I am literally 2 decades over you. Yeah, I just
22.
realized you're 22. I'm 42.
You're 42.
You're 42.
Yeah, I'm 42.
Hey.
Now,
No.
yes, relax.
Queen.
Calm
I
down.
was
You're the hottest 42-year-old. I'm sorry I'm calling you hot, but like I don't know any other adjective to call you because you're so pretty and you're so hot.
So hot. So hot.
Thank you.
I'm not even saying this just to say. I was like 28.
No.
I was
Yeah.
around 32.
30. I was around 30 to 35. Hey.
Hey.
We're gonna chat later. Oh my god. I need to be you at 42.
You will reverse, boss. When you give up this Gregorian calendar expectation, you will reverse.
Do you
reverses.
believe in the frontal lobe development theory?
Of course, you could not believe in it. It happens.
It
No,
happens.
what's your
It
perspective
happens.
on it? Yeah, what's your perspective on it?
Your frontal lobe.
Development, yeah.
You know, I feel your frontal lobe, your prefrontal cortex will only develop when you have your amygdala calm down. When your amygdala, your flight and fright mode, when that relaxes, this guy has the ability and the opportunity to open.
to take
Yeah.
charge.
But not
But the-
everybody
not
has
everybody.
the privilege for that to turn off,
You
because
know,
so
this
many
is
things can
so
happen.
funny.
Yeah.
This is why I say, the minute someone does it, no, it becomes privilege. But I'm like, ye sabke paas hai.
Okay.
Everyone has everything within them.
You can.
Mm.
Do you want to?
Yeah, it really boils down to it.
Really?
Yeah.
As long as, like, I have gone to therapist has drawn brain and said, this is your amygdala. You have to stop operating from here. And I'm telling you, I did like 1,000 tests, okay? Like, I've been going to her for like 4.5 years
Yeah,
now, okay?
okay.
And then I went to her and then, she asked me to do tons of tests. And honestly, when you start doing these tests, like, we're talking about this personality test and
Yeah.
everything, you think you can lie to the test, but you can't.
Yeah.
You can.
Because the test is too sharp.
Yeah.
The test knows you will lie. So then
Yeah.
it'll ask you questions in different ways.
Yeah.
And eventually
To
arrive
get
at
the
to where.
truth. Fuck.
Yeah, so
Right?
some of the items will be cross
Correct.
marked. Some of them will be marked. Yeah, we have to do this manually, bro. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Some
I
of the
sat
tests,
down and
yeah.
I like circled A,
No,
B,
even
C, D, A, B, C, D.
scoring them.
Scoring them.
Yeah.
So I sat down.
She's a
and
psychology student. That's
there
what she
you
knows.
go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you got the name so right, like so quickly, right?
Yeah.
Like literally, like I remember answering like some 240 questions. Okay. After the 10th question, you stop lying
Yeah.
Absolutely.
because you're really getting into the question, right?
And
then you're like
you
answering,
really want
answering.
to know yourself also. So why would you lie?
Why would you lie? And I remember I used to be the person who would try to look at every situation. Like there was one picture. It sounds so sad today. But literally there was a picture of like this adult man and this child. Okay, they're facing each other. And the adult man's hands are
Tied back.
tied at the back. Okay. And I had to explain what I thought
it
in
was.
this picture. Yeah. And I say maybe he has sweets.
Oh.
But you can like sense the fear in that picture.
Yeah.
You can sense rejection in that picture. But I was like, I hope there are sweets behind that man's
So that was a put
back.
on.
Yeah. Just try to like
Yeah.
soften the blow, soften the fall.
Mm.
Like I really felt I was that person.
That
Or what if I
was
said
responsible,
that I am
yeah.
actually afraid of this situation? This man intimidates me and I don't know what's
Behind.
behind and I can ask,
Yeah.
Can ask.
Yeah.
right? That would change my perspective. And imagine learning all of this as a 30-year-old in your life. Yeah. It's interesting. Like a lot of my change, like a lot of my prefrontal cortex, I
Yeah.
feel was formed after my 30s.
Oh.
A lot.
What was before that? Like
I think it was this Gregorian calendar person. I
You
don't
had
want to make
this?
the. Of course, I wanted to have kids by the time I was 30.
like
I wanted to have like I wanted to like date someone, be in love, find that perfect family, which is outside of my family because I didn't consider my family to be perfect. So I was like, I'll find it outside,
Yeah.
and then I'll have children, and then I'll raise them the way I want to. So my first child was supposed to be at 31. My second child was supposed to be at 35.
Fair.
Okay. But none of it happened.
You know what the worst part is?
And then I had to make decisions for myself
How did you deal with that?
Yeah.
quite comfortably. Because then that's a choice you make. You're like, what am I chasing? So it was just interesting for me to see that the more I was not letting timelines affect my brain, the more open and receptive I was to the present. So I was not making up this shit. Ke, this person is like nice. So then I like be with nice person. His father is actually a good man.
Oh my god.
So-
this is so funny because we've had conversations like this.
So it is all of us. Great.
It is
Don't
all of
worry.
us.
Please trust me. You will outgrow this. But it's also a possibility that if you know yourself while you're in your 20s, like use this time to just realize who you are. This is like the
Testing period.
yeah. This is your testing period.
R&D.
Yeah, and use it as R&D instead of putting pressure on yourself and be like, no, this is what, like, look at the world here. It's opened up to pro-life. It's opened up to IVF. It's opened up to, मेरे को शादी भी करना है कि नहीं भी करना है.
Yeah.
अब जो options है ना, in the 2026 era that we live
Correct. Yeah.
in, these options didn't exist when
Fair.
I was 20 years old, 20.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
like 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
20 years ago
Absolutely.
when I was 20, these options didn't exist. So I had to be open and receptive to the options as they appeared. And then be like, acha, this is also a possibility. Like, I do not need, like,
Yeah.
today I will say, I don't want children.
Yeah.
Right. Today I will say, before marriage, I want live-in relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And I should be okay to experience that. I should also be okay कि live in कर लिया मगर नहीं टिका,
नहीं चला.
नहीं चला. Because the
Don't have to
minute
force it.
the minute I
cannot
put
force it.
the outcome, now I'm going to trust me. That's also
Yeah.
confirmation bias.
You're going to try to come to that.
Now I will try to come there. But if it's
Somehow.
not coming to that finale, that grand finale, which is in my head,
Yeah.
the fireworks, then I'm just going to be disappointed. Like, I will be like lighting that matchbox, that matchstick, Hawaii.
The best way to have like a be satisfied is to not have expectations, right?
Oh, definitely.
I think I have my expectations, but for myself. I have
From
standards
yourself, fair.
for myself. But if
Yeah.
I'm going to thopo my standards on other people and be like, tumne nahi diya,
Yeah.
to mera galti hai.
Exactly.
Of course.
Of course.
But I, like, for example, in my last relationship, I was open, and I'm glad that my partner was open to go to couples counseling.
Oh,
When we went to couples counseling, I've been to counseling. Okay, I love counseling. It's my thing,
favorite
okay?
thing.
My favorite thing. Okay, it's my me time. I get very excited. Okay, the doctors are more intelligent than me. I give me clarity. I
Rarely
love
does that ever happen.
I get very excited about therapy and stuff.
Yeah.
But when I went to therapy with him, it was very interesting because she said, you will find the biggest triggers of your life only brought up by your parents, by your siblings, and by your partner. No one else. Your friends will not bring it up. Your colleagues will not. The social world will not. But only in these three relationships will you see the worst of you come up. And only then do you realize, acha, this is bad in me. This is worst in me. And then you know that this is what I need to tolerate in my partner. This is my partner. Is a fully formed person. And it takes maturity from both ends to realize or to choose
what you're going to be
what
okay
I'm going to
with.
tolerate. Like, for
Yes.
example, I come here and I go like, I want to have a mocha latte. Okay.
Yeah.
And you're like, bro, यहाँ पे coffee shop नहीं है. Can I get you black coffee?
Huh.
That's a choice I need to make. I
Yeah.
can't be like, no, dude, mocha नहीं है, मैं चला जाएगा यहाँ से.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah,
Like, it could be a
yeah.
very small thing. But
Yeah.
in this situation, what's the best? I need to understand like how important the larger picture is.
Yeah.
How important this experience of having coffee, whether it's black or mocha, with the company that I have is.
Yeah.
Right? But if I don't want, I'm obviously free to leave. But क्या पता आगे की दुकान पे भी नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah.
कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा.
और वहाँ
शायद नहीं
पे
मिलेगा.
आपको
शायद
black
मिल
coffee
बेचा.
भी नहीं मिलेगी.
शायद तो black coffee भी नहीं मिलेगी.
Yeah.
So then you just need to choose कि भाई this is what I want to tolerate.
Yeah. You know,
And
true.
that's okay. Like, that's a choice you make.
It's
After a point, because these are habits. Habits don't change.
don't change.
And you
Yeah.
should never feel I'm changing for that person.
Yeah, oh,
I'm
definitely.
changing for me because my situation, my own understanding to what's happening changes for me.
yeah.
So can I do that for me
Yeah.
and then not be unhappy about it? So these expectations from other people are wrong, but expectations from yourself. Also, if your change, if your growth is not being appreciated, it's not being appreciated.
Leave.
It's okay, but that's a decision, and that does not make the other person
Yeah.
small. It doesn't make
Exactly.
you big.
Exactly.
Because we're human beings. We're
Yeah.
constantly evolving. Like, to put that pressure.
Exactly. So we have a fun segment for you.
Lovely.
Where this
We
is
were not having fun so long.
shit.
We were having
Now
another
the fun is going to start. Okay.
So
We have
this
another
is
fun
something.
segment.
It goes so well with what we spoke about.
Yeah, so well.
this whole episode. Please
yeah,
go on.
but this is something we want to discuss, which is micro acts of feminism that we do in our daily lives. Do you have something fun that you do to just assert dominance?
Yeah.
Assert
Do you need a
yourself
minute
as-
to think about those? You can take that also. Don't.
Yes.
no
you give
pressure.
us one.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll start.
Yeah.
This is very basic. Okay, so when I have guests over and there's like a couple or like, you know, like a man, woman or whatever, I always, you know, greet the woman first. If I have to offer them anything, I always offer the woman first. I will almost always neglect the man. But like if he's someone significant, I'll be like, hi, kaise ho gayi? But I will make it a point to have a decent more decent conversation with the woman. That's something that I do.
Wow.
Actively, intentionally.
Intentionally. Yeah, intentionally.
Yeah.
Intention.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that is such an interesting thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like
Another-
for example,
yeah, go on.
For example,
Wow.
I do this now that I told you, like I've been going on dates, right? I make it a point every time. For some reason, people like boys my age, of course, they love football, right? And they have certain club that they support and they wholeheartedly love it, right? And these people are nerds about it, and I love it. They first of all they like explaining things, right? So you let them explain.
Mansplaining.
You let them explain because then they'll be like, okay, isko nahi pata hai, to main bata deta hu. And then I'll always ask this question: Ronaldo or Messi? 9 times out of 10 they're gonna say Ronaldo. Okay.
Because they're cute boys, is it?
No, it's not cute. He was there before Messi, and he's more iconic apparently. He's from Manchester United, which is like a very coveted team.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So I know this. I will act dumb. Cool. I know this. And then they will 9 times out of 10 say Ronaldo, and then I always make it a point to bring up, do you know he was accused of rape?
He was.
Do you know he's an accused rapist? And then just to see their reaction, how did they get defensive? And 10 times out of 10, they will get if it's a Ronaldo fan, they will always say, no, but he won the case. He won the case.
Allegedly. He was a rapist, allegedly.
He's also
They always
like a
say that.
millionaire, also Ronaldo, right? He can get out of a case. Very
Like that.
He can change the narrative according to his
Yeah.
script. So
He can. It's all
So
alleged.
can Trump.
So can any powerful
So
man.
can any powerful man.
personality.
But let's call them person.
Man. I feel
I'm
powerful
gonna say it,
men
man.
can do that. Powerful women are far too few.
the only one I can think
But
of
the
is
ones
Epstein's
that
wife,
we... Ghislaine.
Ghislaine. She's the only one who, in like current memory, who I can think of.
Bro,
is
she said, "Mera kuch lena dena hi nahi baba."
bad, but she was also part of it.
She was a part.
Absolutely.
huge
she
part of
was.
it.
She was a part of it. But she mera nahi lena dena.
Yeah,
Nahi lena dena.
yeah.
Sanjay.
I'm not interested.
Another thing that I do is whenever I'm talking to a new guy, and this is the first time I have started the conversation, I'll always start with "Hi, princess."
Or like, hi, queen.
Or "Hi, queen."
Or like, hi, bestie. Hi, girl.
Something very girly pop to see how their reaction is, because most of the times they'll be like, but I'm a guy, I'm not princess, I'm not queen. But the ones who reciprocate and they're like, hi queen,
Yeah.
hi girl, what's going on? Those are the ones you know are like the
Better.
real ones. They're the better of the lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there something like that? I think micro acts of feminism, that was the thing where you assert dominance with males
Yeah.
in your
Colleagues.
Test them.
Yeah, but I think I didn't realize because, as I said, that I've been doing all these things, but feminism has come up as a much later coined term.
Yeah,
was the
absolutely.
But I
turning
have been
point?
living that as my truth for so long.
Yeah.
And now I don't even look at it as micro or macro.
Yeah.
I just look at it as
Something
today,
you
if I stand up for myself, I look at that as feminism.
Absolutely.
And that
absolutely.
like I am not afraid to, I don't know, to like
disrupt.
to disrupt, to
Go against the norms. In a way.
like I'm okay to be angry.
But
I'm okay to be angry, and if you don't like it, it's fine.
Yeah.
But don't say like, as a woman, you should never be angry. Like you should be soft always.
as a woman,
I'm not a bear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a human, and that's a part of the emotions that I hold. So I will
there's
be
a
angry.
whole wheel of emotions, and if you don't want
Exactly.
me to be angry, then don't make
Don't
me
make me
Angry. Then don't make me angry. Precisely.
The straight face that you said it with.
No, but
Angry
I'm
women
not
are-
understanding if that is feminism. You see,
It is.
it is.
It is.
No,
It
see, the
absolutely
fact that you
is.
have the liberty to say it is feminism, regardless of it being right or wrong.
yeah. Also, I feel like hamesha feminism. Like I just heard Tanaz Irani. I think she was on this podcast where she said, and it was really celebrated, and I really thought it was meaningful because she said, if I want to be feminine, I will be. If I don't want to be tomorrow, I won't be, and that is also feminism for me.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the
It is a
choice.
choice.
The
It's
choice.
a choice, and that is also empowering. And I thought that was really good. And I just heard that as a snippet, and I said, "Bhai, I relate to this." But she's also closer to my generation. She's also closer to because we've gone through enough. Like I remember, like standing outside like my girls' college, and boys used to just go like "Wah!" on their bikes, and they'd be like slut,
Mhm.
Oh.
right? And I remember crying many times. Like, but I'm not. Now I don't cry.
Yeah.
Now you're like,
So
yeah,
what?
so what?
So what?
love it.
So what?
So what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Explain
I-
yourself. The minute you
I
put them on the
will-
spot is when they start to like.
Yeah.
There is this.
Like oh yeah, like okay, so then I have started talking about every single like I don't care. I'll tell you how many men I've slept with. I'll tell you what my body count is.
Yeah.
That I think is my micro act.
No,
of
definitely. Make them
feminism.
uncomfortable.
Yes. Yeah.
To test
See
them
how they
about
Okay,
it.
react.
so if that's what it is, then yeah, okay, cool.
That is definitely
is,
what
that
it
is.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. I arrived.
You arrived.
Only after 20 minutes. I arrived. Okay,
This also reminds me of this one girl in like our circle, like college circle, okay? And she's known to be promiscuous. She's fine. It's really fine. She's not doing anything that a man doesn't get applauded for.
Yeah.
Right? And I know people that will like dunk on her for that and that will say, no, you shouldn't talk to her because she is like this. When you are with her, when a man is with her, they know who they are with.
Yeah.
It's fine. They know what they're doing. They're both consenting adults. There is nothing to be shameful about, right? To call her a homewrecker, to call her a slut, to call her these names, she's not doing anything that a man is not applauded for.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Like, I don't understand if I was dating a married man, and I am single, okay?
Yeah.
And I'm just having an affair with you, okay? And I'm just participating in your whatever, right? How do I become responsible for
Your fuck
everything? Yeah, for every part of your fuck up. I was just like, I'm having whatever I want to do.
Yeah, I'm
but
there.
if you have more responsibilities, if you have your conscience that serves your relationship, should you not be more responsible
Exactly.
for it?
Yeah.
So simple. Like, but she came. No.
They're the enabler.
They are
not
enable-
you.
Yeah. My sex. खूबसूरत है, मैं hot है तो तुम
Yeah.
मतलब मैं बनाना पी लेके तुम स्लिप हो गया देख के चलो What nonsense.
Exactly.
मैं चल रहा था मैं slip हो गया क्या है nonsense like how easy it is to blame it on the woman
How
Exactly.
easy and how difficult is it to hold a man accountable? My God.
yeah men and accountability and they are bloody
go in.
accountants bro
You
so
know.
many of them
You know.
and they don't have any accountability
They have zero
Exactly.
account. They never tally.
nothing balance ही नहीं होता bro
मैच ही नहीं हो रहा है तो बैलेंस होएगा ही नहीं.
नहीं मैच ही नहीं हो रहा है LHS is not equal to RHS
LHS is not equal when it comes to men. I love it. It's a great high to end on. But before
Yeah.
we end, this is my favorite segment that we
Our
ask
favorite
all
segment.
of our guests.
Yes.
I want to know something so useless in your bag. What's the most
The most useless
oh
thing in your
nice
bag.
let's see
Yeah.
what's useless in my bag I have a lot of useless
What's in my bag?
I found okay.
Oh. Stanley.
Damn.
Yeah, it's a dumbbell. Are you ready for my useless thing?
I'm so ready. I'm sad.
So if you carry
Back
this,
tour.
yeah, if you carry this, you know how heavy it is
Damn. She's
Also-
working out all the time.
all the time. Okay?
Love that.
But like the most, I have so many useless things. I love that.
Still.
You can put 3 and you can rate them.
Useless thing one.
This is so useful. I love this.
Okay.
It's from Bangkok.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What's my second
sure?
useless thing? So I mean, it's not useless, but like I can't travel without
Highlighter.
Okay.
because that's how I.
She's a woman of culture.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So I only understand and read books when I highlight.
Highlighted. Fair enough.
What are you reading? Beyond Belief.
It's a mad book, by the way.
Your life.
And I'm trying to find one
like
more
it.
useless things. I have too many useless things. Okay, yeah, this is also pretty nice. It's a cuticle oil.
Wow.
I really aspire to be you.
Cuticle
I have
oil.
cuticle oil. I have hand cream.
Hey, that's not
Caudalie is a
useless.
very good hand cream.
And bro, I got a tasbih also. This is not useless, but like
Not
this
useless.
helps me like ground myself.
Grounding.
That's really beautiful.
Yeah, and apparently I got this for my grandfather when he was still alive when I used to live in Dubai.
Oh, that's
And
like
then
a
my
rosary.
grandfather never used
It
it.
is the version of
Yeah,
rosary.
and then
Yeah.
he passed it on to my grandmother. And when my grandmother passed away, she was like, "Can you give it back to Kubrab so that she
Oh,
can
wow.
like take those blessings?" So I literally got it
That's
when I went to
beautiful.
Bangalore 2 days ago.
Can I see it?
Yeah, of course. And it's a very smooth one. It's one of the nicer ones.
Yeah.
It's very
It's
sweet.
very beautiful.
Are you going to pass
It's
this on
beautiful.
to somebody important in your life, do you think?
If I stop breaking,
This is actually very beautiful.
it is na.
Yeah, you should keep this going.
It's really nice. Na? It's
Very nice.
This should be like a family heirloom.
Yeah. So nice.
It is very
pretty.
beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But
It's a
honestly,
good like, but
none
this
of
is
these.
my favorite.
Honestly, the only thing I
Useless.
find useless is in
The
my
cuticle
opinion,
oil.
the cuticle oil because it's a little too much. But
It is a little.
That's the most useful thing actually.
Zia
Yeah.
always has a...
Drugs. I have an
Amritanjan.
Amritanjan.
This is like drugs.
This
I
really
like herbs.
It wakes you
Yeah.
up or puts you to sleep. Does the job.
Wait.
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 I'm woke, you know.
Hey.
Patchy. So bad.
No, I love it.
Love it. But I have an Amritanjan in my bag all the time.
All the
Amritanjan
time.
roll on. I'm an Amritanjan girly through and through.
I'm telling you, these are Muslim girls. We are obsessed with this kind of naughty high.
Yeah, because I don't drink. So I gotta get my nasha somewhere now.
I have a feeling 8 years she'll be drinking.
Ooh, maybe in 8 years I'll come back to this.
8
and I
साल
will-
के बाद मिलते हैं.
8 साल के बाद मिलते
No,
हैं.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
everyone told me that no. So I was a teetotaler till I was 30.
Whoa.
The first drink I had was when I was 30. So it was a conscious decision. Say, I want to. I will. I am more than adult. yeah.
you're a
And I had it with my
grown
mom.
adult.
Yeah, like
Sweet.
I
Was it
well.
her first drink as well?
Yeah, I had kind of prepped her on it. So we were like, we would go to a restaurant, we get like one glass of wine between the two of us, and then she would have like one tiny sip.
Yeah.
And, she'd be like,
Aw.
and all of that stuff. But yeah, like the first time I made a big occasion out of it. Like obviously it was my birthday, so it is an occasion.
Of course.
But it was my 30th birthday. We were in Bodrum. We were overlooking like the fort of Bodrum.
Wow.
And then I got my first glass of wine and house wine because you don't even know what wine you should get. They're like wine lao. Lal lao. The idea nahi hai. What the fuck are you asking for it? Like now and all, I'm like, oh, I want South African. I like Merlot. I like
fancy.
Pinot Noir and all that stuff.
Yeah.
But back in the day, lal lao. And then my mom had like this massive ass strawberry shake, and I had like my first full glass of wine.
Bro, auntie sounds like a diva.
If you watched up until this point, Kubra, what is the emoji that she should comment to so that they signify that
We,
they
we
walk?
give them an emoji to
Yeah.
comment so that we know that they stayed up until the end.
Do you have a
So,
favorite one?
Do you have a favorite one?
Anyone.
Let's put the fire truck.
Fire truck emoji.
Fire truck emoji.
You know why. if
A
you've
bunch of
watched it.
fire truck
Fire truck.
emojis in the comments. And before we go, Kubra, what's coming up for you? What do you want to plug?
Okay, so before we like end this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
What I'm coming up with is this. These are prototypes, okay?
Oh, is this a card game?
Yeah.
We should have played
So-
this.
So this is a prototype, all right? And we can put this wherever you want, if you want.
Oh my god.
Alright?
What is it called?
The Open Book Stories. So I wrote a book
Book
called
Stories.
Open Book, and I
Okay.
felt like my life changed because I was just able to speak my truth. And I feel like we have superheroes, like just amongst us.
Amongst
we
us.
all
Yes.
are
Superheroes.
superheroes. We just are, but then we don't really know about anything about each other. So literally, like, pick a card, shuffle it up, and whatever question comes up,
Can I pick?
all you have to do is answer it.
What's a belief that you've outgrown? Today, I outgrew the belief that I need to have children by 35.
Mm-hmm. Clock it.
I love that. I love you for it.
I love you for it. मेरे को नहीं पता था इतना impact हो जाएगा भाई. मतलब 35 तक तो खुद ही बच्चा रहता है. इसको बच्चे चाहिए.
Awesome. Do you want to do one?
What's a trait you're attracted to but know is not good for you?
Ooh.
What's a trait you're attracted to but you know is not good for you?
Think.
The fact that you're complicit a lot of the times. No?
अरे उसको आंसर करने दे.
But
नहीं मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड है मेरे को पता है. नहीं मगर मेरे पास भी आंसर है. I'm also खुद going to say.
I need to think about this. Sanjay, I think you should go.
Okay, I'm gonna go. when do you feel most like yourself?
I know this. I know this about Sanjana.
What?
When you put on your jewelry.
Oh my God. Okay, so I am a huge jewelry person. Because there are actually a few moments that I have
Yeah,
within myself
exactly.
where I feel the most with myself. One is where I have completely decked up myself in jewelry. I love accessorizing. I know I'm not accessorized
Yeah.
right now, but usually I have
You're
a
a
stack
man
of...
today, bro.
I know I have such a masculine fucking beaded bracelet.
But we had a long morning today.
I did. But I love putting on a chunky set of bangles. I have like a chunky necklace that I like wearing, rings. I have an anklet. I used to have a belly piercing. I have like 7 piercings on my ears. I am a
She's really
jewelry
cool.
person through and
Yeah.
through. But I also enjoy, or like I feel like the most like myself when I am alone.
Yeah.
In the mornings when I have my little routine. So
A slow morning.
after-
A slow morning.
I feel like
I'm a slow morning person. So how I do it is I have a bath and then I come out and then in the room I just light an incense stick and then I sit, I manifest, and that's how I start my day. So I feel like the most connected to myself at that point.
Very cute.
Very cute.
And she's also somebody that will make it a point to intentionally express her gratitude with words.
Yeah.
Which is something I love about her. Yeah.
Yeah, I really like doing that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you for sharing that.
This is really fun.
Do you want me to go ahead and then you want to? Oh, you got your answer.
I did.
Good.
Okay, so I think a trait that I'm attracted to, but no, it's not good for me, is when a man thinks I can't do shit. Like when a man thinks
okay.
that I am not independent. Okay, I am extremely independent when it comes to a bunch of things, right? I can do. I'm putting myself on a pedestal. I'm gonna do it right now, but a lot of my a lot of problems in my life have been sorted out by myself.
Okay.
I'm not saying कि मेरे पास लोग नहीं थे करने के लिए. I have a good set of friends, but I've always been that kind of a person who likes to deal with my shit on my own, and I do not like it. I like it when men think that I can't figure it out on my own,
And
but I
then you
know
prove
it's
them
not good for
wrong.
me.
So that's the trait that you're
Attracted
attracted
to it.
to. But you know, so you.
So do you like proving them wrong?
I'd be like, you think I'm dumb? Okay, I'm gonna prove
Oh,
you wrong, and
fair.
that's what gets me going.
Got it.
That's a deep answer.
Yeah, bro.
That's a deep answer.
That's very
Damn.
deep, bro.
Do you want to do one?
You should go next.
I'll just go. Ooh, there you go. It opened up for. What's the weirdest food combination you secretly love?
Oh,
Dumb shit comes for me. All the deep shit came around. That dumb shit came for me.
I think the deep shit you said throughout the entire episode.
You took that part.
And then you did-
And now let's do the
I am
story bit.
curious about the food combination.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah.
What is the... I think I can have like ketchup with everything.
I love ketchup with idli.
She has ketchup with idli and sambar.
It's horrible.
Yeah,
I-
idli sambar like ketchup.
Ketchup.
Idli sambar ketchup. I'm sorry.
No, it's
But I
nice.
can do
Enjoy.
ketchup.
I can do like ketchup with vada also. I can do ketchup with like eggs. I can do ketchups. I can.
Ketchup or
You're
like
a
a hot
ketchup
sauce?
girly.
Ketchup.
The
Oh, I
sweet
love
kind.
Tomato ketchup. Kisan.
I am also a ketchup girly, bro.
Yeah.
You know, there's a trick. Guys, I have a trick for y'all. If the sauce is at the bottle, at the bottom of the bottle, you just do as a one swipe.
Yeah, and
it all comes to
nature.
the
Really?
Yes.
No,
And
is
it's not
that
even hard?
No,
to
is
do.
that not an Instagram thing?
All
you
of our
tried it?
knowledge works.
It works.
All of our knowledge
interesting.
comes from reels.
Yeah, these days.
These days.
I read an article. Never. Never.
No.
Seen it on reels. This generation, I tell you.
Wow. What is it? So yours is idli sambar and
Idli. Oh
Ketchup?
no, actually, there is this thing that's made in my house. It's called aloo. So it's just basically.
what do you mean it's made in your house?
It's a
What the
different-
fuck?
It's just called aloo. It's just thinly cut potatoes with lal masala and salt and oil. That's it. Alright.
Yeah, it's like a tuk that
Yeah,
they
it's
make.
like a tuk, but I like to have it with mixed fruit jam
And pav.
and pav.
It's
Okay,
yummy.
that is weird.
That is very
yummy.
weird, but it's so good.
It's
I've put
yummy.
all of them onto it.
Yeah.
She has.
Okay,
It's really good.
I'll come home.
Oh, please.
That
Please
sounds
eat.
good.
Spend either at my house.
This Eid, no?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's competition, bro. Because we're making our biryani, or maybe your biryani.
Yeah. Let's do
clash.
lunch at yours, dinner at mine.
Chal.
Let's do it.
Done.
We'll be there at both places.
Chalo, great.
Vegetarian.
We'll make bangan for you.
Exactly.
What? Then you can starve.
You are not invited.
Yeah, you can starve.
You can start.
I have no qualms of saying it. I have biryani parties all the time.
Yeah. You like to
You
host?
seem like someone who likes to host.
Yeah, like, and I cook biryani and stuff like that.
Wow.
But yeah,
I can tell your parties are very warm.
yeah.
Just give me a warm person.
But I'm telling you, like, if there are biryani party, then for the longest time, I'm like, are you vegetarian? Not invited. Don't feel bad. Non-vegetarian, come.
Non-veg,
And
hardcore.
even all our best friends. If a husband and wife, I've told them leave the wife at home. Like, and that's not like feminism. I'm just saying your vegetarianism.
I get it. Vegetarianism, very
Fair,
real.
fair.
Fair.
Very
Oh
real.
my god, what a high to end the episode
You
on.
have been a ray of sunshine in this episode. This was
If
so
you say
much.
Suresh Menin's episode was better than this.
Oh, listen.
Stir it up, stir it up.
I love all of my guests, but I love when there's a female guest on the show.
Yeah, she always says
Those
this.
are always my favorite episodes, no matter who the male guest is.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this has to be up there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm
I
not just
loved
saying
being
this.
here today.
Thank you.
We loved
Thank
having
And it was
you.
more than a podcast. It was such a.
It was a heart to heart.
genuine, heartfelt conversation. That
Yeah.
And the cameras were just there.
The cameras
Yeah.
were just there. Is there
Love
anything
it.
else that you want to plug? Your
Yes.
book. I want them to know about your book.
Okay, my book is called The Open Book by
Mm-hmm.
Kubra Said. It was published in 2022 by HarperCollins. It's a memoir. It's an account of some fun things, experiences, some hard things that I've gone through. But who doesn't, right? So I think the outlook of it, like the book got written because of therapy for so many years. And I actually thanked my therapist in my book. And it was a way to kind of recount like my relationship with myself. And I've written it with just a lot of candor, just the person I am, because nothing in life should be too serious.
Of course not.
Very,
Masti
very
rakni
cool.
chahiye.
Very cool.
And yeah, so I really like enjoyed the fact that when I wrote my stories, I felt they were not mine anymore to carry. I could just take the backpack off, open the zip up, and be like, "Dekh lo bhai,
Unpacked.
it's unpacked. It's
This
done."
is my narrative.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. Anything else that is coming up for you that you want them to know?
I'm just like doing a bunch of new things. Like I'm learning stand up for
Yes.
like literally ground up.
Yeah.
Like I'm going performing open mics. I'm learning how to deal with silences. I'm learning how to deal with big laughs. I'm learning how to deal with involvement. I'm learning how to deal with like
Just
going first on
uncomfortable
stage,
being-
going
yeah.
fifth on stage, having your own show, having to be a part of many other comedians, learning to build a new universe
Yeah.
Sure.
with
Yeah.
like new comedians, right? I'm really enjoying this new thing. So I'll be performing on the 30th and the 31st. And of course, many, many, many more.
Many more
So much more to
times.
come.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
this is like a year's journey. So
Do you
yeah,
have
I'm
updates on
doing new things. So I just know that it's very, very exciting when you try new things.
Absolutely.
So just don't be afraid to try new stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm interested to try this tuk with
With the Tuk with jam.
jam.
Come home.
You know what I mean?
Please.
You know,
Yeah.
like, you should be excited. Like, try it, then reject it.
Then reject it.
Instead of being like, mere ko
Nah.
karna hi nahi hai.
Yeah.
Closed off. Don't be
Yeah.
that.
So just be open.
Yeah.
Opportunities only present themselves when you're open
When you're
to
open.
finding them.
Yep.
When you're open to seeing them. So I feel like that's the journey I'm on.
Amazing.
And that's an ever evolving journey. So
Yeah.
you don't have to be tuned in for this, for the next thing I'm going to do, but be tuned in to the continual just journey of life because I will keep doing stuff because I am jack of all trades. So
Love
No, bro, what is your Instagram? Let them follow you.
oh, at the rate KUBBRA Kubra Seth.
So you did add the extra
SAIT.
B.
Yes, I did on my Aadhaar card as well.
Whoa.
And my passport as well.
She
I'm
doesn't
a-
play.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I am beyond belief. When I believe. And I did that before the book came in, right? So this is just confirmation. bias.
Okay.
So yeah, no,
Amazing.
you want to believe? Like I'm telling you, I changed my name. This is so bizarre. And then I was in a session of hypnosis, okay, and the person's like, "You're KUBRA." I said no. In my hypnotic state.
Wow.
And
So
you
it's
always
in your
strong.
bones. It's in your bones.
Yeah,
yo.
like you can like be clear of who you are when you really believe it. Like I'm telling you, you remember your session in your hypnotic state. You do.
Yeah.
When you do a session of
You do.
hypnosis, you remember what happened.
Okay.
And you're not there, but you're there. And you remember it
Ah.
very clearly, okay? It's vivid. When it's a good therapist and you've done like, you know, the journey with them, you'll always remember what you saw, who you spoke to, what
you
you
said.
did. And I'm telling you, I was like, no, I'm a double B in my session. So
Wow,
Yeah.
amazing. You're such an interesting person. We would actually love to have you on again. Guys, comment
yes.
down below if
The
you
fire
want
truck.
Kubra, fire
sorry.
truck.
Yes.
And also when you want Kubra back on and what you want us to talk about. Let us know down in the comments. Comment nice things. Subscribe to the channel. Hype this video. Like this video. Send it to all of your friends. Send it to whoever you like to manifest with. Send it
Yes.
to somebody who does not believe in karma. Send it to your family group. Listen, send it everywhere.
Do it right
Regardless.
now.
Yes. And if you're watching us on Instagram, first of all, don't forget to follow Kubra
hey, did
on
I
her
follow you?
handle.
No, I did, no?
I hope.
You can take your time, babe.
No, I'll follow. Shut up. For real now.
But yeah, while our guest is following us, you guys should also hit that follow button. Comment nice things, share this video, share all our reels with everyone you know, and yeah.
And if you listen to us on Spotify, it's just 5 stars that we need. So do it right now.
Do it.
Hey, no, this is not you.
Oh,
Do you want me to type it in?
Yeah, I just followed. No,
It's just we are Besharam.
yes.
Yeah, that's not you.
We are WeAreBaesharam. Follow it.
I am dyslexic. I didn't get anywhere close to that. Actually, I'm not finding it.
Can I help you?
Yeah, just find it.
But yeah, until next time.
Be Besharam, no?
Stay Besharam.
Besharam. All right, okay, wait. Bye. Bye.